Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to count cells with text in Excel. We use the same list for all examples and we will learn how to count all cells that contain text, how to count cells with an exact text, and how to count cells that contain an specific text inside other text. So let's get started. Here I have a list with different types of data. Some cells contain names, some contain numbers, and others contain dates. To count all cells that contain text, click on an empty cell, type an equal sign. Now type COUNTIF. Open parentheses and select the range A1 through A17. Type a comma. Now type an asterisk inside quotation marks. Close the parentheses and press Enter. The asterisk is a wildcard character that represents any text. Because of that, Excel counts every cell that contains text and ignores cells that contain only numbers or dates. Now let's see how to count an specific text. In this example, I want to count how many cells contain exactly the word Excel. To do that, click on an empty cell and type an equal sign. Now type COUNTIF and open parentheses. Select the range A1 through A17. Type a comma, then type the word Excel inside quotation marks. Now close parentheses and press Enter. Excel checks every cell in the select range and counts only the cells that contain exactly the word Excel. Notice that cells like Microsoft Excel or Excel template are not included because we are looking for the exactly match. Now let's count all cells that contain the word Excel, even when it appears together with other words. For that, we can use wildcards before and after the word Excel. Click on an empty cell, type an equal sign, type COUNTIF and open parentheses. Select the range A1 through A17, type comma. Now type an asterisk followed by the word Excel, and then another asterisk, all inside quotation marks. Close parentheses and press Enter. The first asterisk means any text can appear before Excel. The second asterisk means any text can appear after Excel. This means we will count Excel, Microsoft Excel, Learn Excel Fast, Excel template, and any other cell that contains the word Excel. After pressing Enter, Excel returns the total number of matching cells. As you can see, the COUNTIF function makes it very easy to count text in Excel. You can count all text cells, an exact text, or text that appears inside other text. These techniques are very useful when working with lists, reports, or databases. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.